The equation we are given is x y prime plus y is equal to x y to the third over fourth power. X is greater than 0 with an initial condition y of 1 is equal to 16. This is a Bernoulli's method problem. The type is a first order linear homogeneous differential equation. So, the first step you do is multiply the 3/4 power by these two to separate them. Then, to get rid of the x, so this is a standalone function right here, you divide the entire thing by x. And this gives us y prime plus y over x is equal to x to the negative 1/4 y to the power of 3/4. Since this is a Bernoulli's method, you take y, 1 minus this power here, so 1 minus 3/4, and then the same thing, 1 minus this power right here, so 1 minus 3/4. This gives us y of 1/4 and 1/4, which then is 4y 1/4. Then you take the prime of this, which is y negative 3/4 prime y prime. Okay, so now with this, you take the y 3/4 and divide it by the entire equation, which gives us y 3/4 y prime plus y 1/4 over x is equal to x negative 1/4. Now, you can recognize that this is equal to u prime, and then also y of 1/4 here, so all you'd have to do is u over 4x, which gives us u prime plus u over 4x is equal to x to the negative 1/4. Now, we take into the substitution with p of x is equal to 1/4x here, not including the u, and then q of x is equal to this, which is x to the negative 1/4. Next, we take the if, which is e 1/4 to the integral 1 over x, I pulled out the 1/4 here to make the math a little bit easier, dx, which goes to e to the 1/4 ln x, which there is a property where you can take this and put it here, which gives us e to the ln x to the 1/4, e and ln cancel, which gives us x to the 1/4. Now, you take the integral of q of x times the if to get this over here. So we have u x 1/4, and you take the integral of if times the q of x dx, which gives us this. This cancels out because they cancel out. So this gives us 1 dx. So this is u x to the 1/4 is equal to x plus c. Now that we have it down, we're able to take the u and plug it and substitute back the y into the equation. So we have 4y of 1/4 taken from here, and it's 4y to the 1/4, x to the 1/4 is equal to x plus c. Now we take our initial condition given in the beginning, which is y of 1 is equal to 16. So we just plug that in. 4 and times 16 to the 1/4 times 1 to the 1/4 is equal to 1. This gives us 8 is equal to 1 plus c. This is equal to 7. So this gives us our final answer of 4y to the 1/4 x to the 1 times x to the 1/4 is equal to x plus 7.